on YouTube? How is everyone doing? I know it's been a hot minute since I have made a video, and it's probably really hard to hear me, so I'm kind of yelling. I filmed one video in the last few weeks. I actually went snowboarding. I know the snowboarding videos don't do too well. I'm gonna throw the clips in at the end of this video if you guys care to watch that far. I don't really care. It's just fun. I love to snowboard. I'm not gonna stop. It's just kind of part of my life. But yeah, I just kind of have had a lot of I don't want to personal stuff, work. I don't know. Who really cares? I just been really busy, so I haven't really had much time to film or do anything fun or fix anything that I'd like to. But with what's coming up shortly, which if you guys don't already know, I am driving this truck, which is, I'm in the twin turbo ZF6 Duramax. I am driving this truck across country to meet up with Bertrand 850 and Truckmaster for the Ryan's Diesel Service Truck Show, Dyno Day, all that fun stuff. And I need to start getting it ready. It's not quite ready. I just want to like change all the fluids. I gotta fix one of the intercooler boots. It's not broken, but it's like, I feel like I almost have them in the wrong spot. Like one of them's getting kind of cut a little bit. It's got like a bulge in it. So I really just want to replace that one. I have the new one already. So we're just gonna go through, replace those, change all the fluids in the truck, top to bottom, or front to back, I guess I should say, and get everything ready. That truck show is on June 22nd. It is in North Prairie, Wisconsin. So I am heading up there. I know Friday, Truckmaster was talking about doing a little something beforehand if you guys are local. We're gonna meet up there. I'm probably gonna get there maybe Thursday or early in the morning Friday or whatnot, and I'll probably just be hanging out around there. We'll be there Friday, Saturday, and I'm heading out Sunday morning to go drive this truck the rest of the way across country. From west to east coast, I will end up in my hometown, Rhode Island. So I will be, it's gonna be a fun few days. We'll be videoing. A lot of awesome people are coming. I don't even want to start naming them because I'm gonna forget a bunch. So I'm meeting up with people along the way too. Like, it's all gonna be in the video. We're gonna make videos. We're gonna start like picking up the whole channel thing and starting getting this, you know, moving for this next month. This next month is gonna be crazy. Hopefully that's the start of something good, and we're like really moving from there on out. So I'm pretty dang excited for it. As far as the truck goes, I think we're good. I hope we don't have any issues with it. I actually might be picking up another ZF6 transmission to bring with me. One, I want to keep it for another project down the road, but it's out in Cali, so why not just bring it with me on the drive, you know? You can't get stranded if you have a whole nother truck with you, right? For parts. No, I'm just kidding. I probably won't bring a motor, but I will probably have another ZF6 with me just in case we hurt it on the dyno or anything like that. So yeah, just this next few weeks are gonna be all about prep and getting this truck ready to go. And once we're up there, it's gonna be a blast, guys. You guys gotta come out if you're close. I'm driving 30 hours to go to this truck show, so if you're a little bit closer than me, feel free to go. But the reason we are in the truck today and driving, which I don't really do too often, is I am heading down to meet up with D-Max Rhino. I'm sure all of you guys follow him. If you don't, make sure to go check out his channel. I will put a link down below or on the screen somewhere or something. And me and him have met up at a few car shows and everything, and we're gonna do a full in-depth review on my truck, I guess, which I tell you what, guys, like, I wish my truck was a lot cleaner for doing this kind of stuff, but at the end of the day, it's my project truck. It's not anywhere near done. But if you guys want to check out the review on this truck or any of the other reviews he does, make sure to go give him a subscribe and go watch his videos, because, you know, he's awesome. So alrighty, guys, so we just finished up hanging out with D-Max Rhino. He filmed the video on the something like that. He filmed the video on the review, doing a review of this truck in depth, kind of we went over everything. So if you haven't checked his channel out, which I'm sure most of you have, make sure you go give him a subscribe, go like his videos, and wait for that video to be posted. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this, so it might be before or after, but anyways, expect it in the next few days. And yeah, we're heading home, and I hope you guys enjoy these snowboarding clips, because I'm done for the day. I gotta go cook dinner, so we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and talk to you soon.